Welcome to Quick Tips. This is the extended version, and I'm Caleb Thompson, and today I wanted to speak to you about what we carry in our toolbox. Now, we'll start over here with the Motomuck wipes. Done with those. We've got some grease. Make sure you tape up the ends. Done with those. We've got the JB water weld in case we ever break a radiator or something. We need to epoxy it back together. Done with that. Now, we've got our tire weld. This is what we use in an emergency if we need to get out of the trails and get home. Done with that. Now, in here, fuses. Done with that. Wiring, just in case we have an electrical fire or we let all the smoke out of the wire. Done with that. And we've also got heat shrink. Done with that. Electrical terminals. Done with that. Tape, double-sided tape, just in case you need to hang some paintings up or, you know, just make something look good while you're out in the trails. Electrical tape for fixing electrical things. Rope for tying things up. This has my stubby ratchet spinners. Don't need those. We've got some screwdrivers, don't need them. A knife for cutting things. Chocolate blocks, not the edible kind. A funnel for funneling things. Cable ties for fixing everything. Circlip pliers. Now we use these for changing axles, very good to have. Compression tape, one of my favorites. This is for extreme temperatures, extreme pressures, and you can fix your radiator hose if you have a leak or a fuel line or something like that. Very, very handy thing to have in the back of the truck. Don't need that right now. Now I have two different sizes of crescents. One doesn't do toe balls, this one does toe balls. So those we'll place gently in there. Now, of course, you've got to have your WD-40 because sometimes you just need to loosen your nuts. Right, over here, spanners and another pair of Circlip pliers. A hub inner, just in case. This, probably one of the most handy things, 8mm Rattle Gun bit, which fits most of your standard hubs. Now, we don't need that. Socket set, pretty self-explanatory. And a frickin' raincoat, because I don't want to get wet when I'm out wheeling. Anyways, that's enough for this video. Let us know in the comments below if you've enjoyed it, and if we've helped you out a little bit by giving you some information for things that you need to take when you go out wheeling so you can make it home every single time. I'm Caleb Thompson with Offroad Addiction. We'll see you guys out in the track somewhere. Welcome to Quick Tips. Quickest tips in the West. We've got some cables, sparky things. Start again.